Hey, this is Mike. So, checking out a 2018 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to try to objectively show the audio level inside the vehicle. So, how quiet it is basically on the inside compared to the outside. So, this is my decibel meter here, and you can see it's kind of fluctuating around depending on the outside noise and also me talking. So, let me just shut up so you can see what the decibels are, just the ambient noise. Okay, so just outside with normal noise, engine running and all that stuff is about 60 or so. So let's go inside the vehicle. And so let's go ahead and shut the door. Just want to show you this one does not have any kind of laminated glass or anything. Okay, so now let's see what we have. Let's turn the engine off and see how much that makes a difference. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up.